Watch the video and learn how to change your Gmail password. Open your Gmail app and click on the profile icon. Now go to manage your Google account option. Now go to security and sign in. Now click on password option. Here it will ask for your mobile menu password or fingerprint. Now enter same password in both box. I already entered the password. Now click on change password option. Then again click on change password. Your password has been changed successfully. Now you have to use the new password to log in, and all the other device has been logged out. Thank you.